Hello, Huskies, and welcome to week 4 of Distance Learning with Love. This is going to be pretty easy week for you if you already selected your novel project, because all I want you to focus on really is continuing to read your book and working on that project. And I hope you managed to find a way to be really creative with it. Insofar as demonstrating your learning, you can do it in a lot of different ways. I gave you several options on the novel project handout. So if you still haven't quite made your decision, please do so and get busy with it. It can either be physical copy or digital copy, depending on how creative you want to get with it. This is your outline for the week. So like I said, your novel project is going to be your main focus. You probably should be probably 3/4 of the way through your book right now. So even though you're maybe not totally finished, that's okay for this. You can still demonstrate what you've learned from the book so far. So that's what your week is going to look like then. So working on this project, continuing to read, don't forget to do that. And then of course, at the end of the week, I want you to do your third author check-in on Flipgrid. It's actually going to be tied to your project as well. So I'm not going to have you do like a separate video or anything. It's just going to be a spot for you to talk about what project you chose, why you chose it, what does this reveal about the book, about what you learned about the book. You can talk about your process in making it, if that seems applicable to you. It just gives us an opportunity to understand a little bit more, insight into your book, and then gives you an opportunity also to show off your work. So this is where you're going to do your third author check-in, and like I said, it's tied to your project, so make sure to be working on that all week so that on Friday, when both of these are due, you can talk about it. Due dates are on the form here, and whenever I'm finished making this video, it'll pop up right here for you all to be able to see. So let's go into Classroom real quick so I can show you where these things live. Your author check-in is going to be right here. The link will be on Google Classroom for you. You can click on that through your phone or on your Chromebook in order to be able to record it. Just 2 to 3 minutes, honestly, but I'm giving you 5 total if you want to ramble on a little bit. And then the novel project, this is where it gets uploaded. So depending on what it is that you choose to do, I know at least one of you said you were going to do the cereal box thing. You can actually make a cereal box, like take an old one, remake it, scissors, glue, paper, that kind of old way of doing things. If you have those things at home. If not, you're certainly welcome to make, kind of a poster version of it online. So that would be the digital copy versus a physical copy. If you make a digital copy and can upload it and attach it here, that's great, no problem. If you made a physical piece, borrow or use your own phone, take a picture of it and upload it here. Multiple shots, like a far away and some close-ups, would actually help me be able to see what I'm really looking at. So that would be awesome if you could do that to make sure that I'll be able to see it. But that just gets uploaded right here. There's nothing extra you need to do because in the Flipgrid, you're already talking about the project itself. So I'm not going to make you write, a whole bunch of information about it. I just want you to talk about it because I miss your faces. Speaking and listening and presenting is a really important aspect of ELA. So please do that. And that is your week, honestly. I am getting more efficient. I'm realizing my videos don't have to be like 15 minutes long. But I do want to extend a, heartfelt hello, and I miss you. And I know that this is difficult for everyone, but please keep hanging in there. Doing these kinds of things will prepare you for next year. Also, just reading in general. It's a really important skill to be able to read well. And, that's why we're doing a novel project. So keep reading, keep pushing yourselves. Project, I can't wait to see what you guys come up with and then also see your presentations. I'm here as always if you need me. Google Hangouts, email, remind, whatever you need. Please let me know and take care. Be safe, be well.